This video will show you on how to connect wireless printer. This is power supply of printer, and this is wireless printer. The first step is to connect the power supply. Press and hold the small black button for 10 seconds. Then, restart the printer. You will need to release the small black button when the paper has printed out. Then, use the scan function in WeChat to scan the QR code on the paper and enter the password correctly. Once you have successfully connected, your mobile phone will show in this message, and the short paper will be printed out like this. Now you can log in your bank system. Go to Printer, select Add Printer. Enter the printer name. Select the corresponding type of printer, this is the wireless thermal printer, and select the printer serial number. The serial number can be found at the bottom of printer. Once you have finished key, you may select View to be printed at below. Select Confirm and remember, update data. Thanks for watching.